Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Oh no! The fridge is almost empty. Nothing inside. No meat, no tomato sauce, nothing fresh.
Great! We are starving. Very hungry. What can we eat? Bread only?
No way. I promised a real dinner. A real tasty dinner.
Delicious with what? Ketchup or only water?
Very funny. But really, I have a plan.
Really? With so little food?
Yes! Tonight we'll make carbonara. Carbonara is pasta with eggs, cheese, bacon, and pepper. It's very famous in the world.
Carbonara? No meat? No tomatoes? Really? Is that possible?
Trust me, Mark. Carbonara needs just 5 things: pasta, eggs, cheese, bacon, and black pepper.
Eggs in pasta? Really? Eggs?
Okay, let's see what we have. Pasta? Check. Eggs? Check. Cheese? Check.
Wait, pasta with eggs and cheese? That sounds strange.
It's not strange. It's called carbonara, a very famous Italian pasta.
Carbonara? Isn't pasta always with tomato sauce?
Not always. Real carbonara is pasta with eggs, cheese, bacon, and pepper. No tomato. No cream.
No cream? No tomato? Just eggs, cheese, bacon, and pepper?
Yes, only 5 things. Simple, but rich in taste.
I don't know. Will the kids even like it without tomato sauce?
Of course, it's creamy, it's salty, it's full of flavor.
Creamy from eggs? That still sounds risky.
Trust me, the eggs make the sauce silky, not heavy. It's delicious.
I'll believe it when I taste it.
You will. People all over the world love carbonara. It's famous for a reason.
Okay, fine. So, pasta, eggs, cheese, bacon, pepper. I hope this magic 5 really works.
Don't worry. Tonight, it will work. Now we boil the water, Mark. Fill the pot, turn on the heat, and wait.
Just water, Anna? No oil?
No oil, Mark. Only water and salt.
Salt in the water? Why, Anna?
Salt makes the pasta taste better, Mark. The pasta cooks in salty water.
So the pasta eats the salt, not me?
Something like that, Mark. Now drop the pasta in.
Okay, Anna. Spaghetti goes in. Should I stir?
Yes, Mark. Stir gently so the pasta doesn't stick.
How long do we cook it, Anna?
About 9 minutes, Mark. It should be al dente.
What, Anna? Al dentist?
Not dentist, Mark. Al dente means a little firm, not too soft.
So, not hard, not mushy, a little bite, right, Anna?
Exactly, Mark. Mushy means too soft, too wet, like rice when it is cooked too long.
Ah, soft and broken. Mushy pasta is not good, Anna.
Right, Mark. We want firm, not mushy. That's al dente.
Not too soft, not too hard. Al dente. Got it, Anna.
Perfect, Mark. That's the Italian way. Now we fry the bacon. Put it in the pan. No oil needed.
No oil, Anna? Really?
Right, Mark. Bacon has fat. The fat will melt.
So the bacon cooks itself.
In a way, yes. Just wait until it's crispy.
Crispy, not soft, not raw.
Exactly. Golden and crispy. That's the goal.
Wow, Anna, the smell is amazing.
Yes, Mark. The smell means the flavor is coming.
Can I taste one, just a small piece?
If you taste now, we will have less for the pasta.
But I need to test the quality.
Very funny. The quality test comes later.
Okay, I'll wait, but it looks so good.
That's because crispy bacon is the heart of carbonara. Now we crack the eggs into a bowl. 1, 2, 3.
Eggs again, Anna? We already had bacon. Isn't this too much?
No, Mark. The eggs are the sauce. They make carbonara creamy.
Creamy with no cream? That sounds strange.
Yes, no cream, Mark. The real carbonara has no cream, only eggs and cheese.
Okay, so we whisk the eggs, right?
Yes, whisk means mix very fast with a fork or a whisk.
Oh, so whisk is mix quickly. Got it.
Right. Now add cheese, but we don't whisk cheese.
We don't? Then what do we do with the cheese?
We grate the cheese. Grate means cut into very small pieces, like snow.
Snow cheese. I like that.
We can also say shred cheese. Shred means small strips, longer than grated.
Ah, grate is tiny like snow. Shred is longer pieces.
Exactly. For carbonara, we grate. We want it fine.
Parmesan cheese, right?
Yes, Parmesan is yellow and a little grainy. Italians also use pecorino. Pecorino is whiter, harder, and more salty.
So Parmesan is softer and yellow. Pecorino is harder and white.
Perfect, Mark. Both are good, but Parmesan is easier to find.
Do we make the cheese melt into the eggs, Anna?
Not melt, we just mix. Some cheese will blend, some stays in small pieces.
So it's smooth, but still has little bits?
Exactly. That's what makes the sauce creamy and strong at the same time. The pasta is ready, Mark. Now drain it with the strainer.
Drain? You mean pour out the water, Anna?
Yes, exactly. Pour out the hot water and keep the pasta.
Okay, done. Hot steam everywhere.
Good. Now add the pasta to the pan with the bacon.
All of it? That's a mountain of pasta.
Yes, all of it. Stir so the bacon and pasta mix well.
Wow, the smell is even stronger now.
That's the magic, Mark. But wait, turn off the heat.
Turn it off? Why, Anna?
If the pan is too hot, the eggs will scramble. We don't want scrambled eggs.
Scramble? What does that mean?
Scramble means the eggs cook too fast and break into small pieces, like breakfast scrambled eggs.
Ah, I see. We don't want egg pieces. We want creamy sauce.
Exactly. That's why we turn off the heat.
Got it. So now I pour the egg and cheese mix.
Yes, slowly pour it in.
Here it goes. Yellow River.
Quick, Mark, stir fast so it becomes creamy.
Stirring, stirring. Oh, it's changing.
Yes, now the sauce is coating every piece of pasta.
Amazing. Creamy, not scrambled. Perfect.
The pasta looks creamy now. Time for the last step.
Last step, Anna. Please tell me it's eat now.
Not yet, Mark. First, we sprinkle black pepper.
Sprinkle? You mean shake it on top?
Yes, sprinkle means add a little, like soft rain.
Soft rain of pepper. I like that.
Now, add more cheese on top.
More cheese? Didn't we already mix cheese inside?
Yes, but this is extra. It makes the taste stronger.
The smell is amazing now.
That's because black pepper and cheese are the heart of carbonara.
Okay, Anna. Pepper on top, cheese on top. Now can I eat?
Yes, Mark. Now it's ready.
Finally! Fork, please. I can't wait.
Careful, it's hot, but yes, enjoy. Okay, time to serve. Everyone gets pasta.
Wow, it smells so good. Can I get the biggest plate?
Finally, Anna. I've been waiting all night.
Good food is worth waiting, Mark. Here's your plate.
Mhm. Oh, this is amazing. Creamy, salty, smoky.
Is this really without tomato sauce? It looks creamy anyway.
I like the bacon pieces.
I like the cheese on top.
See, Mark, I told you. Creamy without cream?
You win tonight, Anna.
No winners, Mark. Just family and good pasta.
You're right. Food is best when we share.
Exactly. And now we also learned new words. Whisk, grate, sprinkle.
And the most important word, carbonara.